Secretary of the Army Daniel Driscoll firing the M1 Abrams, and Bradley alongside the skilled warriors from 2nd Squadron, 13th Cav Regiment, 1st Armored Division at Drawsko-Pomorsky Combat Training Center, DCTC, Poland, April 10, 2025. Driscoll. Visit also included attending the flag-raising ceremony at Głębokie, Poland, and awarding the 2024 Army Community Partnership Award to the country of Poland. These lethal platforms underscore the need for continuous modernization and innovation. The soldier of 1st Armored Division are currently a rotational force supporting V Corps conducting training exercises with our NATO allies in the European theater to maintain readiness, develop warfighting capabilities, and increase lethality. U.S. Army video by Sergeant Courtney Nunnery. Shot list 00. 0 0 Lord 35. 0 SEC Army shoots and rides in the M2A3. Bradley Fighting Vehicle 00. 036. 0 0120. OSEC Army flies in an Apache AH-64 Oro 0120. Uro from 0 0126. SEC Army rides and shoots the M1A2 SEP V3. Abrams Main Battle Tank 00. 0126. 0 0133. Uro SEC Army shakes hands with the tank crew members 00. 134. 0 0150. Litron Meek Army rides and fires. U.S. Marines fire M240B machine guns, Mk-13 sniper rifles, and M110 semi-automatic sniper systems during a live fire range. Camp Hansen, Okinawa, June 28, 2023. Marines conducted this range to maintain proficiency and lethality with different weapon systems when operating in support of commanders and maneuver forces. The Marines are with 3D Battalion, 6th Marines, and are forward deployed in the Indo-Pacific under 4th Marines, 3D Marine Division as a part of the unit deployment program. U.S. Marine Corps video by Lance CPL Diego Garcia. U.S. Army soldiers with the Combat Aviation Brigade, 1st Armored Division, supporting Task Force Iron, prepare AH-64 Apache helicopters for a live fire exercise at Lielvarda Air Base, Latvia. May 2, 2025, the Apache helicopters then flew to Camp Adagi and displayed the AH-64's precision and lethality by engaging multiple targets during an operational capabilities demonstration. Task Force Iron's mission is to engage in multinational training and exercises across the continent to increase lethality while strengthening partnerships with our NATO allies and regional security partners. U.S. Army video by Sergeant Rachel Hall. Task Force Sabre, 25th Combat Aviation Brigade, conducts a long-range maritime air assault during exercise Balikatan 2026 from Cagayan North International Airport, Lalo to Itbayat to Basco, Philippines, April 23, 2026. The operation employs AH-64 Apaches, CH-47 Chinooks, and UH-60 Blackhawks aircraft to showcase the Army's ability to project military power across extended maritime distances. The air assault enables soldiers assigned to the 54th Infantry Magolas Battalion, 5th Infantry Division, and Australian Army soldiers assigned to 5th 7th Battalion, Royal Australian Regiment to conduct bilateral training. Balikatan is a long-standing annual exercise between the armed forces of the Philippines and U.S. military that represents the strength of our alliance, improves our capable combined force, and demonstrates our commitment to regional peace and prosperity. U.S. Army video by Sergeant Olivia Coward. Timestamps! 0 30 00 AH-64 Apache formation takes off. 0.49 27 UH-60 Blackhawk loads service members and takes off. 142 20 CH-47 Chinook formations take off while dust kicks up. 228 28 U.S. and Filipino soldiers stage and load gear onto UH-47 Chinook. 0342 34 various shots of crew chief and service members observing surroundings. 0406 28 CH-47 Chinook flying over open ocean. 0440 47 partner forces rapidly exiting and unloading supplies from helicopters on Itbayat. 06 24 44 CH-47 Chinook cruise fuel at Marine managed forward arming and refueling point FARP on Basco. Marines with 3rd Maintenance Battalion execute a live-fire machine gun familiarization range at Camp Hansen, Okinawa, Japan, January 30, 2019. General Support Maintenance Company, 3rd Maint, BN, Combat Logistics Regiment 35, Bird Marine Logistics. Group conducted the range to familiarize their Marines with different weapon systems. The training was one of many events. 3rd Maint. BN conducted in preparation for their culminating event, a training evolution at the Jungle Warfare Training Center, U.S. Marine Corps. Motion imagery by Lance CPL Isaiah, Campbell CPL Andre T. Peterson Jr., 2nd Battalion, 34th Armored Regiment, 1st Armored Brigade Combat Team, 1st Infantry Division, conduct qualification of the M240 machine gun at Studnicka Range, Drawsko-Pomorskie Training Area, Poland. Aui, Sektion Cheese, 21. Regional. Security in Europe continues to be a top priority for the U.S., and utilizing rotational forces allows for more flexibility to deter threats when they arise. U.S. Army video by SPC Max Elliott. U.S. Army soldiers assigned to the 3rd Armored Brigade Combat Team, 1st Cavalry Division, conduct a combined arms live fire exercise, CALFEX, on Fort Cavazos, Texas, Jan. 15, 2025. The main focus of this exercise is to practice multi-asset engagement, utilizing an M3A2 Bradley fighting vehicle, an M58 mine clearing line charge, MICLIC, and a Boeing AH-64 Apache attack helicopter in preparation for the unit's rotation to the National Training Center, NTC, later this year. U.S. Army video by SPC Nathan Morse. Several U.S. Army helicopters from the 227th General Support Aviation Battalion, the 1st Air Cavalry Brigade, and the 36th Combat Aviation Brigade 2nd Battalion, 149th Aviation Regiment land on the parade field at JBSA Fort Sam Houston in support the 113th anniversary ceremony of the military's first flight. Wars May 2023. In 1910, U.S. Army Major General Benjamin D. Foulois is credited as the first person to conduct a military flight which sparked the U.S. military's aviation dominance, going on for over a century. 36th Combat Aviation Brigade, 2nd Battalion, 149th Aviation Regiment, UH-60 Black Hawk out of the Martindale Army Airfield, helicopters from the U.S. Army, the 1st Air Cavalry Brigade from Fort Hood, 227th General Support Aviation Battalion, 1st Air Cavalry Brigade aka OACB AH-64E Apache attack helicopter, UH-60mm Black Hawk CH-47 Chinook.